Hello YouTube. So I am making a 2-point banana bread. All of this together will only be 2 points. I am putting it in a pan like this. I did 8 servings, so it might be less if you can cut it into 12. I'm assuming I'm only going to be able to cut that into 8, but we will see. So for right now, it's 2 points for 1/8 of the pan. So what you will need is some sweetener. I'm going to be using this no-calorie sweetener, some salt, 1 container or 3, I believe it's 3 tablespoons, or 1 container of unsweetened applesauce. I wanted to use sugar-free syrup, but I just had this light one, and I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of this, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1¼ of Pillsbury self-rising flour. You can use any flour. If you use regular flour, just know you have to add teaspoon, or you have to add baking soda and baking powder. Not very much, but I'm not sure how much actually. If you want to do that, just look up how much to use in a recipe for that, but the self-rising dough works really well for this. And then just 3 extra ripe bananas. I actually had a whole bunch of bananas, but I'm just going to use 3 because you don't want to overpower it. You'll need a bowl before you stick, and then before you stick the banana bread in the pan, you will want to make sure you're spraying it. I use a 0-calorie butter spray. This works really well. So I will show you guys how to make this. Okay, you guys, so that is what it looks like. I added 1/8 cup of chocolate chips on top, which makes this banana bread 3 points for 1 slice, 1/8 of the pan. And if you don't do the chocolate chips, it's only 2 points. So if you prefer to have no chocolate chips, like I said, only 2 points. So I really hope that you guys try this and like it. It looks so good and the whole house smells so delicious. Yeah, give this a like if you like cook with me, meal ideas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.